A gentleman came to our firm recently who was injured because he had been struck by a bus. And his question was, how long is this going to take? How long is this whole process going to take for me to get this claim resolved? And my short answer was, it's entirely up to you. But if you want to take my advice, based on nearly 30 years of experience as a personal injury Florida trial lawyer, then we're going to take as long as we need to. And then he said, well, what are you talking about? And I said, what I'm talking about is that you've been injured in a bus accident. You are just now starting to appreciate what's happened to you. What you think has happened to you today may be completely different from what you realize has happened to you 6 months from now or a year from now. The doctors are not going to know until they've had an opportunity to fully examine you, to treat you, to see how you respond to that treatment, and to see what your future medical needs may be. Those are the critical parts of your claim that we're going to take our time with to make sure that they're fully understood before we determine the value of the claim. And determining the value cannot be figured out today. It's going to take time for your medical case to develop, and over time, once it develops and we have relative good confidence that we understand the full extent of your injuries and how they'll affect you the rest of your life, only then will we be in a position to resolve your claim or begin the process to resolve your claim. So it is up to the client, but if the client wants to rely on my experience and my expertise, then that requires us to take our time and see where the medical takes us.